Hey guys, Shaun here. We are in Custer State Park, and last night we camped over at Sunday Lake, and now we're driving through Custer State Park. We'll probably see some buffalo and see what else. And if it's not raining later, we're gonna go on a little hike. So here we go. This is the lake here. I think it's Stockade Lake. All right, we're going down Iron Mountain Road. It's gonna be a windy road ahead.
Tunnels.
Oh, yes, sir. It's Mount Rushmore.
Budget view.
I thought you were look straight ahead, guys.
Discovered the city of gold.
Hey, George. We're at Sylvan Lake, and we're going to do a little hike here. Probably just around the lake itself. It's about a mile hike. We have lots of people, and this place is crowded. Memorial Day weekend, it has opened up. Helicopters doing tours.
Are you gonna just videotape or no?
I don't have to edit anything out.
Except for this whole entire video.
And look at Elliot. What happened to your arm? He's got a cast under there. He broke his arm the other day.
That feels like YouTube gold.
You heard it from the master. YouTube gold, man. Yeah, you can hike on the rocks if you'd like.
Right there in front of you, someone's wearing flamingos. Does she really?
This is only about a mile.
Can I look her blood?
Well, you can try, but she might start pulling. You got it?
Don't run too fast down the hill.
Draw her in a little bit. There's another dog up there. So when it gets closer, like this.
I think that's part of that. You climbing on the rocks? Are you a professional rock climber? Yeah. Sometimes.
Like the tree between Cheyenne and Laramie. Spirit of Wyoming.
And,
This one must be the spirit of South.
Okay, Elliot, look this way.
I'm thinking it's picked up this rock. You can see where it maybe used to be right there.
Be careful, you don't want to fall off and break your arm.
What do you think? Okay. Can you help down? Where are they at?
They're down there.
Okay. I'm gonna go pee off that rock.
Parkour.
It's life-saving stuff.
One laying down? Probably laying on his feet. Did you see two goose?
Daddy, can you hand me my coat now?
This is the cousin to Fatwood.
Birch bark.
What a find. Especially thankful to be here today.
Super
Put out
wood.
a special thanks on behalf of my sponsors.
Oh look, they made some nice steps here for us. Wonder how many sticks of dynamite they wasted on these steps. Oh, it's starting to rain now.
Closed.
I don't know. Y'all maybe.
I think someone just did
Somebody
that.
just moved it over.
Yeah, because it's not locked right.
Who wants to go on Sunday Gulch Trail? It's about 4 miles. I guess little kid votes don't count for much.
Kids have lost their minds.
Maybe next time. You hear the thunder?
Pretty cool.
Liv, get off the bench and just wait.
Have you heard that song?
What did we not?
Hey, that looks like Lucy.
Richard's on the quest for more Fatwood.
Yeah, there's a lot of
He's taking his own trail.
Do you want it now?
Hope these don't fall.
They've been there for a long time so far.
But didn't this just open on Wednesday?
I'm not sure. No, Custer Park's been open for a while. It's just the campground.
the mountain. Woo! Actually, what's like you don't realize there's a crack there, and then it's like people just keep popping out of there.
Why not? Oh, it was, wasn't it? We need some EMT service over here. Somebody scraped their knee.
You want to clean it
There you go,
first?
Grinch.
Here's a...
Like the back of the truck.
That's gonna,
That's a Corona wipe.
yeah,
I'll just wash it up with someone.
yeah, that'll burn a little bit.
Looking for this. You're right with us.
On the way back?
Yes.
Yes.
Then okay.
What's up, bud?
You got it, Hannah?
Just watch your step there.
Wait, I'm okay.
Run.
Right here.
Careful up there, Elliot. Hey, how do you guys like Sylvan Lake? Is it pretty fun? Would you come back here again? Yeah. You wouldn't? Too long of a drive? Too long of a hike. How'd you like that hike, Elliot? Pretty good. What'd you think, Hannah? Had fun? All right, we're almost back to the truck and we had fun. So, as you can see, the parking lot is pretty well emptied out since the rain. So we got here at a good time. Anyway, we're gonna head back to camp now.